Let's talk about Bali. Bali is a beautiful island in Indonesia. Bali is often called the island of the gods. It has many beautiful Hindu temples. Tanah Lot is one of Bali's temples. It sits on a rock in the ocean and is beautiful at sunset. Bali has many green rice terraces on hillsides. They are a beautiful part of the landscape. The beaches of Bali are long and sandy. Kuta Beach is known for swimming and sunbathing. Balinese food is flavorful and often spicy. Nasi goreng and satay are two popular dishes. Traditional Balinese dance is beautiful. Dancers wear colorful costumes and tell stories with movements. Offerings called kaneng sari are placed outside every day. They contain flowers, rice, and incense. Ubud is the cultural center of Bali. It has many galleries, markets, and traditional performances. Bali is surrounded by tropical nature. Monkeys, birds, and beautiful plants fill the forests. Many visitors come to Bali for yoga and relaxation. The island has a calm, spiritual feeling. Shopping in Bali is fun and affordable. You can find handmade crafts, clothing, and jewelry at local markets. The Balinese people are very welcoming. They greet you with great kindness and big smiles. Bali is a magical place full of color, culture, and natural beauty. Many visitors return again and again.